Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by preventing the system from recreating the Windows BT folder. First, stop Windows Update. Open Services, locate Windows Update, and stop the service. Next, pause automatic updates in settings so files don't reappear. Once done, create a restore point and back up any personal files. This protects you if cleanup removes needed installers. Make sure you're an administrator. Without rights, you cannot remove system-protected folders. Proceed only after confirming services are stopped and a restore is in place. You'll take ownership so Windows allows deletion. Open an elevated command prompt, run takeown to claim the folder recursively, then iCackles to grant administrators full control. These two steps change permissions and clear access blocks. After permissions update, close programs using the folder and confirm no setup. EXE processes are running. Then delete the folder with rmdir/s/q from the prompt or remove it in File Explorer. Once removed, empty recycle bin and reboot to finalize permission changes and complete the process by cleaning residual files and verifying system health. Run disk cleanup, choose Cleanup System Files, and remove temporary Windows installation files to catch leftovers. Once done, re-enable Windows Update so critical patches resume, then check for updates to ensure nothing is pending. If Windows BT still exists, restart into safe mode and repeat the ownership and deletion steps. Safe mode prevents background processes from locking files. One key troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.